Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update Pikashow to the newest build and confirm it has casting enabled. Once done, make sure your phone and TV share the same Wi-Fi network. Mixing bands can break discovery. Open Pikashow, allow storage and local network permissions, and go straight to the app settings to toggle any new casting or DLNA options. You're doing this so the app can find devices and access media files. It avoids connection failures later and speeds discovery. Now you connect. Tap the cast icon in Pikashow's player or main screen and wait for device names to appear. You'll typically see Chromecast, your smart TV model, or a DLNA server. Choose the correct device. If a prompt appears on the TV, approve it. For DLNA, enable local sharing in settings. For Chromecast, accept pairing. Then set cast mode versus mirror mode and pick resolution or quality if available, because that controls buffering and image clarity during playback. Finally, start the video and watch it stream to your TV. You'll control play, pause, and subtitles from your phone. Once playback begins, monitor network stability and lower resolution if you see buffering. To end casting, tap the cast icon and disconnect or close Pikashow on the TV. If the TV doesn't appear, restart the router, phone, and TV, toggle Wi-Fi, and regrant local network permissions in Android/iOS settings. This single troubleshooting step fixes most discovery or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.